Ever wanted to have smart features with your old traditional air conditioner without paying a price premium? Well, we have the solution for you. UniAir is a system to transform your mundane air conditioner into a smart one. With an IR blaster attached to a Raspberry Pi and our software, smart features can be enabled to even the oldest air conditioners. UniAir is a two-part system. The first part involves a virtual controller and a web server on the Raspberry Pi, which sends IR signals to the air conditioner. The second part involves a mobile app which can be used to control the air conditioner remotely right from your smartphone. Here's how to set up the server on your Raspberry Pi. First, clone this Git repository with the server branch. Change the current directory to the newly created folder and run the setup script. This will create a new Python virtual environment and install all the necessary packages. After that's done, you can run the start script and that should run the server. You can check the IP address of your Raspberry Pi using this console command, or go to the UniAir server status page. So let's try setting up a server. It's as easy as clicking continue and hitting register after typing in a new password. You can also set up the server using the UniAir mobile app. So now let's reset the server and try setting it up using the mobile app. So right here I have a mobile phone with the UniAir app installed. Let's go ahead and add a new controller. Type in the details of your controller, including the IP address. There is a test connection button to check if the server is reachable and whether it has been set up or not. Go ahead and click connect, type in a new password and hit register. Once the server has been set up, a new controller will be created in the app. So here's the newly created controller that's connected to this Raspberry Pi, and this is the IR emitter here. And that's the aircon, and if you turn on the aircon, it works. And if you can try increasing the fan speed, you can hear the fan speed increases. Even let's try powerful. You can hear the fan speed ramp up by a lot. So let's turn that off, and yeah, we can off the aircon. And multiple devices can connect to the same Raspberry Pi, and if it's not in sync, you can press this button to refresh data from the server to get the latest aircon data. So over here I have two phones with the UniAir mobile app installed. On my first phone I have a controller already set up, and on the second phone I have no controller set up. So let's go ahead and try to use Firebase to back up my controllers on my first phone and restore it on the other. So first of all, go to settings and sign in with Google. Once you're signed in, hit backup to Google account. A pop-up should say settings have been saved, and you can go ahead and do the same on the second phone. Sign in with Google. And once you're signed in, go ahead and hit restore from Google account. The controller list should then be updated, and you can check the controller and see that it has the same IP address and settings. UniAir also supports multiple controllers. In this demo, I'll be adding multiple test controllers, each with their own settings and configuration. Users can set up multiple Raspberry Pis with the UniAir server installed and control air conditioners in different rooms with just one mobile phone. So right now I'm adding different controllers with different rooms, and you can name it according to the room that the aircon is in. And the app displays it nicely with a list and with the current status of the aircon.
Furthermore, smart features such as geolocation, automated on and off timings, and weather temperature adjustment can be added, giving more functionality to your traditional air conditioner. Considering the price of a typical Raspberry Pi, including all the necessary accessories, would only set you back by roughly $30. The application will offer you a steal compared to the thousands of dollars it takes to replace your traditional air conditioner with a smart one. We hope that you are as excited about our project as we are, and with that, I shall end the presentation.